Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno for Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's go into the notification panel and find the toggle for hotspot. So for me it's on the second page right here, personal hotspot. And before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can customize a couple things, primarily things like your password. Now by default it's just going to be some randomly generated password. So you can tap right here on the personal hotspot settings, and then tap on the password and completely remove this one if you want to, and set your own password that you desire to use. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. Then we also have the name above that. This will be the visible name of the Wi-Fi and the list. So when you're looking through Wi-Fi list, you will look for OPPO Reno 4 Lite as a name of your Wi-Fi. Now you can change it, shorten it, do whatever you want with it. So as you can see, I just shorten it a little bit. And then we have also the AP band, which gives us the option to either go for 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Honestly, I would advise you to try at least the 5 gigahertz. This is something completely standalone from the devices in 2020 being 5G compatible. The 5G on the phones that are being marketed is more for the cellular. The AP band right here for the 5 gigahertz is strictly Wi-Fi based, so they are completely different things and require, well, different technology. So older devices can still support 5G, even though theoretically that was before the 5G came out. So like I said, I strongly suggest that you change it to a 5G right here, and just see if it works. Some devices, older ones, may be able to connect to it, assuming they were a little bit closer to like a flagship specs, and more budget range from old times will most certainly not be able to connect. But I believe anything from like 2016, I should probably have 5G. Or 5 gigahertz as in Wi-Fi. So yeah, now if you choose to have the 5 gigahertz right here and your device doesn't see any kind of Wi-Fi by the name that is provided right here, that just means that it cannot support it, and simply go back here and drop it down back to 2.4. The benefit of the 5 gigahertz one is it's going to be faster and more stable connection. That's, well, the only benefit right here. So yeah, now once you go through all the settings right here, you can tap on save, and that's about it. We're now saved with the settings that we have chosen, and we can now simply tap on the toggle to turn it on. So once you turn it on and it's lit up in green, that means that it's enabled and anybody can now connect to your hotspot, assuming they know the password for it. And it will also give you a message how many people are connected. You can also interact with it if you want to, as you can see, connection management. So you can disable black people. You can also change the maximum people connected to your hotspot if you want to. And once you're done with it, simply tap on the toggle once more to disable it, so you don't use the battery for no reason. And this is how you would set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.